And he's taking a little maiden voyage on the Naxeon. That bike looks like the future. Hey, what's up folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a head-to-head competition between two futuristic electric two-wheelers, the BMW CE02 HighLine and the Naxeon IAM. Our buddy over at Electric Vehicle Space, linked down below, was kind enough to come over with his Naxeon, and our buddy Taiho with his CE02 also came over for a fun day of riding, and they actually did a couple of speed tests and races. So whether you're looking for a fun city ride or a high-tech commuter, these bikes are at the cutting edge of EV design. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and let us know which of these two amazing electric motorcycles you would choose. So with that out of the way, let's dive right in and see how they stack up.
Ready?
All right, guys, we're here with Taiho on his BMW, what, CE2, right?
CEO2.
CE02, and we got Vitaly from Electric Vehicle Space on his Naxeon.
Naxeon
What's
IAM.
IAM. So gonna do some comparisons. We're gonna go on some speed tests, get some cool pictures, and maybe we'll try out the bikes and switch up. Yeah, we're gonna head over to a nice lake and enjoy the beautiful weather. I'm used to having the slowest bike, but on this ride, by far I have the slowest bike, but that's cool. It just shows how versatile a Telaria XXX can be. So we're headed over to a spot called Gunner's Lake just to get some thumbnail pictures for the video and just to enjoy the view. I mean, who doesn't like visiting a lake on a beautiful day? And this one's so close, I just had to swing by, show it to the fellas, and from there we'll figure out where else we're gonna go. He spent about half his battery getting here due to it being so windy. I guess he was riding into the wind, so that kind of knocked down his range a bit. I guess since I'm in the front, there we go. Let's get some shots of these guys on their beautiful, beautiful motorcycles. What a difference in design philosophy between these two. They both look like concepts in my opinion, which is a good thing. Like, these things look like the future. "35-mile-per-hour speed limit." And I'm tapped out. I'm going top speed, I'm maxed out on my accelerator, and they are just taking off on me. Glad they slowed down enough to see my turn signal. That thing takes off.
Yeah.
I was maxed out, you guys are just pulling away.
Yes. Yeah, all of them. Yeah. About 72. Race. Thank you.
Drive safe. I'm gonna go check out this lake, and most importantly, ensure that Rusty has a hell of a day enjoying his ride. So this is Gunner's Lake. I'm pretty sure it's a man-made reservoir, but it's in the middle of the suburbs, easily accessible. And at least this little stretch is easy for riding e-bikes. Something like this without pedals, or like what's behind me. I wouldn't go through the whole trail because, people are gonna look at you weird. And me personally, if I don't have pedals, I try to avoid taking this bike on bike trails. But this is a really nice spot. Stop up here in the shade and see what they want to do. The BMW CE02 HighLine brings BMW's sleek, minimalistic approach to electric mobility. With the HighLine package, you get heated grips, an SP Connect smartphone holder, an external quick charger, and a unique HighLine color scheme. Weighing in at 290 pounds, it's light and agile, perfect for city cruising. On the other hand, the Naxeon IAM offers a sportier and more aggressive design. It's got a more muscular frame, weighs 302 pounds, and comes with high-tech features like ABS and blind spot monitoring. Its style screams power, and it's built for longer rides with a larger frame and range to spare. Let's talk performance. The BMW CE02 HighLine is powered by a 15 horsepower motor and dual 48-volt batteries. It reaches a top speed of 59 miles per hour, though some reviewers have managed to push it past 65. It accelerates from 0 to 30 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, so you're getting plenty of punch for city riding. The Naxeon IAM takes it a step further despite having a slightly less powerful 14 horsepower motor, although it is paired to a 72-volt battery system. What really sets it apart is its top speed of 72 miles per hour. It's got a quicker 0 to 30 time of 2.8 seconds, so it's ideal for riders looking for a bit more power and speed, especially on longer trips or open roads. On the tech side, the BMW CE02 HighLine includes a 3.5-inch TFT display that gives you all the key info: speed, battery level, and more. Upgraded LED lighting, and heated grips for those colder rides. It also features front-wheel ABS for added safety. The Naxeon IAM brings in a more advanced setup with a 7-inch display, which offers better customization and a more immersive riding experience. On top of ABS, the IAM also includes blind spot monitoring, which is a great feature for added safety in urban traffic. Tech-wise, this bike is loaded with features for connected, informed riding. Now let's dive into the battery specs because these two bikes have some impressive setups. The BMW CE02 HighLine is powered by two 48-volt, 40-amp-hour batteries with a total battery capacity of 80 amp-hours. It gives you a range of up to 56 miles on a full charge. Charging takes about 5 hours from 0 to 100% using the standard charger, but with the included 1200-watt external quick charger, you can go from 20 to 80% in just 3 hours. The quick charger itself is portable, weighing in at 12 pounds, so you can take it with you. The Naxeon IAM packs a larger 72-volt, 90-amp-hour battery, giving it a longer range of 112 miles. You can charge from 20 to 80% in just 90 minutes using the J-plug adapter at level 2 EV charging stations. A full charge from 0 to 100% will still take about 5 hours, just like the BMW, but with its 72-volt system, the IAM offers both power and flexibility.
If I had to make a choice between one of these bikes, I think the only reason I would pick the BMW over the Naxeon is just the pedigree. That is BMW. They've got a long history and they're guaranteed to stick around, whereas a lot of startup PEV manufacturers, not saying they disappear, but sometimes they vanish. And they would suck to buy something that expensive and now you can't get parts or support. And that is literally my only reason for picking the BMW over the Naxeon. The more comfortable seat, that's arguable because it is an aftermarket seat. But I do like the capability of being able to ride with two people. Well, three if you count Rusty and another human. But tough choice, man. $2,500 difference would probably make that decision easier for a lot of people. But man, the electric motorcycle space is becoming a heated competition. So many bells and whistles on these bikes. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that light to turn green on us.
So let's go from the slide, like half a mile, just half a mile, and then come back.
From here?
Yeah, from here.
Yeah. Once these cars are gone.
Once the cars are gone, okay?
I'm gonna do my best to stick with you guys. But you guys are gonna see two little dots on the screen here. After this gray SUV. On go.
Oh, so, no, let's move. Let's go here. Let's go here. We can go from rolling.
All right, roll and start. So far, so good for me. And they're about to take off on me now. So I'm maxed out on my throttle, doing 48. And they are gone. They are neck to neck. BMW still ahead, and the Naxeon just passed him. I'm pretty sure they are both maxed out on their fastest setting. Naxeon is a bit heavier, that's impressive. But you're talking about 72 volt versus dual 48 volt batteries. So I think that's a win-win for both bikes. Oof. You guys were pretty neck and neck until like...
When I passed you and I forgot to press the boost, I was like trying to find the bottom. Let's
got...
go back. We can go back from hit the light, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you guys were neck and neck until like maybe 8 seconds in, then you kind of passed him.
Cops?
But you guys were neck and neck.
Oh, neck and neck. Oh.
Yeah, for a while.
Can we try here? Let's go this. Let's go back and then try that.
Yeah.
Taiho, just come this way. Come this way. Yeah? Yeah, so let's wait. Okay, we're clear, right? When the cars are passed, we go 3, 1, 2, go, or 1, 2, 3, go, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. No, after the cars. Okay. Oh, you go now? 1, 2, 3, go.
Shout out to Taiho for their acceleration, but they're gone. Once I hit 40, they pulled off. Oh wow. Naxeon was ahead, now the BMW is ahead by a hair. And now the Naxeon is in front again. Pretty even competition considering both runs. But man, that just makes the decision harder in my opinion. Again, the Naxeon is $2,400 cheaper.
Well, let's go to home.
I guess we're cruising again. Race over. 1-1. I will call that a tie. That's a win for both bikes, man. I don't know which one I would pick. Having both would be so ideal. That was a good race.
You got to mention that my battery is 43%. My battery is 43%.
When do you normally notice like a drop in performance?
I think when it's 90 plus, it's so much.
Yeah.
It's a little more.
But,
so I think if it'll be full battery, it'll be slightly faster.
Oh yeah, it'll be faster.
Yeah.
so 72 volt versus dual 48 volt.
48 volts.
That's an interesting race. That was an interesting race. The second race, you guys were like this. That was awesome, man. And you used the boost?
I used the boost.
And that is a 72 volt.
Huh? 72 volts. 72 volts, yeah.
Man.
Different, yeah. It would have been nice to have fully charged, but this is what it is.
Vitaly, man, pleasure to meet you.
Guys, gloves. Same here. We're gonna meet again.
Absolutely.
And I have to figure out. I think the light goes that way. So yeah. All right. See you guys.
All right, ride safe, man.
Ride safe. All right.
All right, so that was Vitaly from Electric Vehicle Space. Make sure to subscribe and check out his channel. Tons of reviews and PEV related content. What's up?
You're going left, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the same way, yeah.
Yeah, so guys, make sure to subscribe to Vitaly's channel, Electric Vehicle Space.
I always subscribe to the channel.
No, I was letting my subscribers know to subscribe to yours.
We'll do the same.
Check out his videos, man, for sure.
Add your YouTube at the end.
Awesome. Watch this guy take off. All right, folks, so that does it for this video. I appreciate you guys stopping by to check out the comparison between the BMW CE02 and the Naxeon IAM. Again, I probably butchered that, but two top of the line, tempting choices in the electric motorcycle space. $10,000 versus $7,500, $2,500 difference. Again, let me know down in the comments which one you would pick. And until next time, hang loose, ride safe, and be nice to each other. Peace.